What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a while, I'm sorry, but I wanted to make a video today because I got myself a new daily driver. I got myself something I've always wanted, worked towards to get this car, and I finally own one. Now this video is gonna be a 6-month late video. I actually bought this car or truck 6 months ago, but I've been driving it, trying to test it out, see the things that I like about it, what I hate about it. But honestly, I just haven't introduced it to the channel. I did a live stream on my last video on the Lexus IS 500, and I mentioned that I bought a new car, but just trying to have time to make a video, and today's the day. So let's show you guys. There she is, guys. Got myself a Toyota 4Runner. It is a limited model, so it looks a little bit lavish, but oh my gosh, I've been wanting this car forever. I've been working at Toyota dealerships in the past, and I finally am able to buy one, even though I no longer work at Toyota. But I have a little bit of, you know, knowledge on this car from working there. I used to service them, I tinted them. Now I own one. I bought this 6 months ago. You know, if you know me, I've driven my Scion XB for a while. It's a really nice daily driver, good on gas. It was manual transmission, really fun, but it really wasn't safe in my opinion. I needed something a little bit more durable. They were both reliable, but definitely something more durable. I drive about 35-40 minutes to work every day. I put about 40-45 miles a day on whatever car I'm driving to work. I didn't want a limited initially. I really wanted an SR5 to save some money. There are some things about the limited I don't like, and there are some things about the SR5 I don't like. And the day is still a 4Runner with just different trim levels. The car still has the same motor, still drives really nice. Kind of wish it was a TRD Pro. I actually was gonna get one, but I ended up sticking with a limited. So let's go ahead and take a look around. A little windy today. I had to park in the shade because it's really sunny too. But as you can see, the front end has a different bumper. Got all that chrome on it. Headlights, I love this style headlight. I'm glad they went this route. If you actually look at the older ones, like the 15s or whatever, they have a weird design to them. Big block headlight, but I like the sleek look of this black housing headlights. These limited comes with these big 20-inch wheels, two-tone. Look okay, honestly, but it does have some really nice Yokohama Geolanders on there. They're really quiet, really nice for daily driving, and I think, you know, can't get past that. It's very comfortable. I wanted a white one for sure to match my S2000. I just like all white cars. I've had white Civics, I had white Integras, and you know, all my other cars kind of been all over the place with color, but white always will be my favorite. Here's the rear end, looking really clean. Rear bumper is really sleek, just with that chrome accent, but SR5 not much of a difference. It probably doesn't have these little fin accents right here, but I like it a lot. Anyway, trying to keep it simple, clean. Just gave it a wash before I made this video. As you can see, it's real nice. But you're probably wondering what the inside looks like, so let's go take a quick look. You see that two-tone? That brown? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. So this is the reason why I actually bought this car. I went to the dealership after work one day, and I'm like, you know, let me go look at 4Runners, see what's going on, what the rate is. And I saw this little thing parked in the parking lot, and I'm like, oh, okay, I didn't really want limited, but I like the white. It was really clean, low miles, 19,000 miles on it. And when I took a look inside the glass and I saw the brown seats, I just like, it gave me vibes from when I bought my ISF, the nice blue with the white interior. This has that white with the brown, even the same with my S2000 with the white with the red interior. So it just has those cool vibes, you know. Let's get in. Very clean, very simple. Everything is just not too much. There are some differences between the SR5 and the limited. Some of these button configurations are different. The only reason why I know, my sister does have an SR5 and I have a limited, so it's kind of nice to compare. It isn't a 4-wheel drive. Some of you guys who do own 4Runners probably can talk smack about it, but I don't need it. I just drive it to work all day. I don't go off-roading. I like to keep my cars clean. I don't find the thrill of taking this car and destroying it or getting it damaged on some rocks. But it is really nice to, you know, have a comfortable daily driver. Rocking the Broadway mirror, as you can see. Every car should have a Broadway. It really helps enhance the view of the rear. And here's the back seats. They're so nice. They actually recline. They're actually reclined right now. And yeah, I really like it. I really like this car, guys. It's not a lot of headroom, but I'm very short. I'm like 5'4", so it's okay. Still very spacious back here. Got the weather mats, which is really nice that it came with it. Had my siblings back here the other day, and they like to put it in recline. And one good thing to notice, I'll put this forward. It does have three-row seating, as you can see. It's just put down right now because I've been like buying a bunch of stuff and all that stuff back here, and I just had to have all that trunk space. But it does have 3-row seating, and here it is, sitting straight up, as you can tell the angle. It's really nice, guys. Here's the back. Really cool. They got some like little, you know, accessories that you can use, and it's very useful. I even have storage in here for tennis balls. It's just really clean, very nice. I think I should get weather mats for the trunk. That's why I have this here, just in case, but they cost like a lot of money, I found on eBay, especially for 3-row seating, and I don't want to go spend that money. So right now that's going to be a cheap temporary fix, but it's really spacious, guys. Oh, it's so nice. So yeah, I just want to make a quick video on the car and show you guys what I picked up. It's a 2018 Toyota 4Runner Limited. Bought it at 19,000 miles, got 28,000 miles. Now I've been driving it every single day pretty much to work. Put a lot of miles on this truck, but it still looks so good. It got so much potentials, and you know what? I'm gonna follow up this video with, of course, the typical 5 things I hate about the car, 5 things I like about the car, and things that I plan to do for the future. You know how it is, just to follow up. Hopefully some of you guys that have 4Runners are actually looking to get 4Runner for your own use. Will actually use this video as a comparison to see if it's something that you want to pick up in the future. But I love this SUV. I could have picked a Jeep. I could have picked something totally different, something newer and nicer and more badass, but gotta keep it Toyota, guys. I mean, I had the ISF, and Toyota is just a reliable brand. Oh man, it looks so good. All right, thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching this video. Again, hit the like button, subscribe if you're a new viewer and you want to see more content. There's tons of content on this channel, and like I said, those comments and likes actually really help my channel a lot. It pushes me up in the algorithm and exposes me to more content creators and more viewers like you. So see you on the next video.